I'm here with my Dash mini griddle and I am going to be making a scrambled egg.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
So in the small bowl, I have 1 egg, which I have beaten with about a teaspoon or 2 of water. Some people like to add a little bit of milk to their eggs. I like to add just a little bit of water. I find that it makes the scrambled eggs a little bit fluffier. I also have some butter that I will be greasing the bottom of this Dash mini griddle with. It's a non-stick griddle, so you don't have to grease it. Or if you don't like using butter, you could use anything that you want. Some people like to use cooking spray, other people like to use coconut oil, some people like to use vegetable oils. You can use anything you want. We're waiting for the blue light to go off and then the Dash mini griddle is ready for cooking. I am powering this Dash mini griddle with an OK Pro solar portable power station. This is a 500 watt portable power station and I charge this up with solar panels, so we're actually cooking with solar energy today. The blue light has gone off, so we're going to open this up. We're going to be very, very careful because it is piping hot. And then what I usually do is just grab my butter and spread some butter around. Again, you want to be very, very careful. Use a fork. You don't want to burn your fingers. And so I buttered the bottom of the griddle, and now I'm going to add my beaten egg. There's the beaten egg, and what we want to do is just to gently move it around. I'm using a silicone spatula because this has a nonstick coating and I don't want to make any scratches in the nonstick coating. So as we move this around, I don't know if you could see it, but there are bits of egg cooking. We can let it settle just a little bit. See how it's starting to firm up? If you see it firming up in some areas, pull those areas toward the center. See how it's really starting to cook in the middle now? See how more and more of the bottom griddle surface is visible? These are coming together very nicely. Just be very gentle with it. You want to make sure it doesn't get really messy on you. But these are almost done now. I don't like my scrambled eggs very watery, so I just want to make sure these are not runny at all. If you like runny eggs, if you like them really soft, you can remove them now. But I like to have them a little bit more cooked. I like them more on the kind of well done side. But yeah, for me, these are done. These look really good. I'm going to unplug the griddle. Always unplug the griddle when you're done with it. Be very careful with the griddle because it's hot. Okay. And that is how quick and easy it is to make a scrambled egg in a Dash mini griddle. I just added a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. You can add whatever you like to your scrambled eggs. Let's taste this. Very good. I think they're perfectly cooked. They're still nice and moist, but they're not runny. They're very tender. and they're not rubbery. I'm really happy with how these came out. And so that's how you can make scrambled eggs in a Dash mini griddle. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Please leave a comment below. Let me know how you like to cook your eggs in a Dash mini griddle. And if you have any requests for something that you'd like to see me make in a Dash mini griddle, please leave a comment below also. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.